Hi! Welcome to my channel. My name is Karina Bonaduk and today I'm trying something different because I'm showing you my project first thing as you get to my channel, because I didn't know where to film, to be honest, and I really love it. So if you want to see how I did it, just keep on watching. The first thing I did was buy a big piece of galvanized steel from Lowe's. It was 48 by 36. So I bought three 8-feet pieces of 1x2s and I cut two of them at 48 inches long and then two of them at 33 inches long. Then I also cut another two extra ones just for support in the middle. It was kind of hard to get those to be straight because I could not see anything under the steel, and I couldn't figure out another way of putting the screws in from behind, if that makes any sense, and still keep the steel on the frame. So that is what I did. And then to give it a little bit of extra support, I used caulking. So I put that on the sides of the wood just to basically glue it there because I didn't have any strong glue on hand. Then I also went to Walmart and I bought this canvas-like material. It said it was 100% cotton. It was $5.97 per yard and I bought 1.5 yards, and I also had a little bit extra. I ironed that material because once it was put on the frame, I didn't know if I can get the wrinkles out no matter how taut I pulled it. And here is baby boy trying to not let me work as usual, but he is pretty good in general, so I can't complain. And then I put that material on the bottom. I put my galvanized steel face first, and then I stapled the cotton fabric on the back of it. I used a lot of staples just to keep it in place and make it stronger. And then I bought a world map stencil on Amazon. It was 48 by 32 or something like that. I can't remember exactly. I will put it in the description below. I did make a mistake here because I did not realize that I laid it on the canvas backwards. So now Asia, Australia, and Africa are on the right side instead of, when you look at a regular map, you have the United States, the Atlantic, and then Europe and all of that. So I did it backwards, but it was too late. I didn't want to spend any more money to buy more materials. I wanted to keep this as close to $100 as I could, and I'm actually really not mad. It's just personal, it's art, you know, it's mine, so it's different. I used the black spray paint to spray the world map outline, and then I used rose gold spray paint just to slightly spray it on top, just to give it a little bit of a tint, because I use a lot of rose gold details in my kitchen and I think it looks really nice like that. Some of my magnets were not strong enough to stick to the galvanized steel, so I just used little round magnets from Walmart. They were $6, and I used my glue gun to glue them on the back, and now they're all sticking on there. I have been to a lot of countries in Europe and a lot of states, and I buy a magnet from each one, and I'll keep buying more and more. I have that fancy fridge that you saw in the kitchen video, and it doesn't have that much space to put all these magnets on there. Plus I didn't want to clutter it, I just wanted it to keep looking nice. And I had this super big empty wall over here, so that's how this idea came about. I really love it. I also finally hung my barn doors on my laundry room that I'm not gonna show you today because I'm pretty sure next week is gonna be the week that I'm actually doing the tour of my duplex after renovating it and finishing it completely, and I'm so super excited. I finally feel like this is a home. I felt that it's a home for a while now, but it's actually completed and I don't have any pending projects, and I'm just super excited. If you see how he looks at me, but he keeps making noise. Make sure to subscribe to see that tour. Also, in the meantime, you can check, I'll put it somewhere here, you can check the tour of the unit when I first bought it. It was so yellow and brown and dingy and dark, and now it's just, it represents me and my personality. So I'm super excited to share it with you, and remember, if I can do it, so can you. I also have that Instagram page that I keep telling you about where I post throughout the week stuff that happens. It's at Karina Bonaduk, and I finally started a TikTok page, so it's the same at Karina Bonaduk if you want to follow those as well. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Mwah! No, that was weird. No, your kisses don't mean nothing. No. Hey, no. No biting. Can you calm down? Thank you. Okay, let's try again. That's not as fast as I wanted it to. Hello! Welcome to my channel. Let's try again. Then most of